So here's how you can disable Teams call history in the iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one. Anyways, the Microsoft Teams app is a great app for meetings, but the call history tends to appear inside of the Apple phone app. And if you don't like that, you can actually check out the Microsoft Teams app, like open it up and tap on your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the icon right there in the corner. More things are gonna appear, and essentially we want to find the settings the settings menu within this app. You get inside and you want to click on calling, and in there's one main toggle at the top, and that is to show Teams calls in the call log. So that's basically referring to the history of calls and meetings showing up in the iPhone phone app. And if you don't want anything to appear there, make sure the toggle is disabled, that it's like gray and not active, and it's just not gonna make anything appear there. So I believe that's the thing you had in mind. If not, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but for now that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.